Get instant, actionable UX insights as quick as within an hour. With Loop11, it's easy. No coding or UX experience required. All you need is a free trial account. Let's get started. In your Loop11 dashboard, create a new project. Choose unmoderated testing if you don't require a test moderator to be present, or moderated testing if you want to watch and interact with participants during the test. Set your test language. Set up tasks and ask questions like find the contact page. Invite your own participants to the test or recruit from Loop11's verified user panel. It's time to launch your test. Now sit back while your results roll in. In your report dashboard, you can see success, fail, and abandon rates. Play or download videos of your participants, observe user journeys with Loop11's Clickstream feature, view heat maps, and download your results to share it with your team. Keep testing to improve your design with every iteration. Get the data you need to design websites and apps your customers love. Loop11. Get instant, actionable UX insights. Start your free trial today.